All right, students, let's move on. अच्छा, अगला टर्म, you all should be in a position to understand yourself. Okay, suppose I give you 3x plus 5 raised to 4 plus 4 times 3x plus 5 raised to 3 2 minus 3x raised to 1 plus 6 times 3x plus 5 raised to 2 and 2 minus 3x raised to 2 plus 4 into 3x plus 5 raised to 1 and 2 minus 3x raised to 3 and plus 2 minus 3x raised to 4. एक्चुअली आप में से जो सोचने वाला है, he or she will realize that this 4 can be written as 4c1. The 6 can be written as 4c2. This 4 can be written as 4c3. And आप लोग ये तो लिख ही सकते हैं 4c0 because that's 1. And इधर लिख सकते हैं 4c4, that's 1. तो अब ये बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन हो गया. Raised to 4, 3 and 1 is 4, 2 and 2 is 4, 1 and 3 is 4, and 4 itself. That means this is actually A 3x plus 5 plus B 2 minus 3x. So A plus B the whole raised to 4. I think उसका है. So अब ये 3x और 3x cancel होगा and you will get 7 raised to 4. So answer is 7 raised to 4. मतलब obviously you have to evaluate this without expanding this term, any term, and you get the answer as 7 raised to 4. Should be fine. Okay, next sum. Next sum में find the value of 2.03 raised to 5. Correct up to 4 decimal places. Correct up to 4 decimal places. मतलब डेसिमल के बाद 1 2 3 4 इधर तक अपने को एक्यूरेटली निकालना है. ओके, वॉट एवर इज देयर बिफोर द डेसिमल के बाद 4 ये होने चाहिए परफेक्टली. एंड दैट इज फाइन, देन इट्स ओके, ऑल डन. अच्छा, हाउ डू आई यूज बाइनोमियल हियर नाउ? कैन आई स्टार्ट बाय सेइंग, स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग मेरे साथ साथ ही लिखो, ये सब साथ लिख सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, 2 plus 0.03 raised to 5. ठीक है ना? 2 plus 0.03 raised to 5. So ये क्या होगा? ये होगा फर्स्ट टर्म 2 raised to 5. 5c0 वगैरह लिख नहीं रहा हूं, that now you all already know. Then 5c1 2 raised to 4 into 0.03 raised to 1. Please understand, 0.03 raised to 1 दो ही डेसिमल प्लेसेस आएंगे, दो भी आएंगे क्या देखना पड़ेगा, because this is going to get multiplied also. Be careful. Okay, plus अब हो जाएगा 5c2 and you will get 2 raised to 3 and 0.03 raised to 2. नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ये बनेगा 0.0009 4 decimal places, but don't forget it's going to get multiplied by terms here, so वो 4 3 या 2 भी बन सकता है, so we'll have to go ahead. Okay, so then next 5C3 2 square and 0.03 raised to 3. मेरे हिसाब से ये लिख के रख रहा हूं, मेरे को पता नहीं, शायद इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़े, बट वी जस्ट राइट इट, raised to 4 plus dot dot dot. I mean, of course here I know there is only one more term, all right, but I am writing dot 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 because after this I am sure इसके आगे के टर्म्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी because 4 decimal places है. Okay, so because of that I have said यहाँ तक इतना है, फिर देखते हैं when we actually evaluate what are the I mean 4 के आगे कितना बढ़ेगा यहाँ पर देखते हैं. All right, now binomial coefficients, I believe all of you all know binomial coefficients. अब तक तो आप लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए, phi c1 phi c4 is 5 and phi c3 and phi c2 is 10. ठीक है, चलो तो इसके वैल्यू डाल लेते हैं. तो वैल्यू डाल के क्या मिलेगा, ये 2 raised to 5 क्या होगा 32 स्ट्रेट. चलो वो तो आएगा. Then plus now this is 5 into 16 80 into 0.0. Now look, everybody, 80 into 0.03. Now this itself, you're going to get a term without a decimal or with a decimal. Yes, with a decimal. 0.0 था तो 24 होता, 0.03 है 2.4 होगा. So this value itself is 2.4. Single decimal आ गया. Next, चलो next क्या है देखो, it's going to be 10 2 cube 8 and 0.0009 03 into 03, so 0009 4 decimals are. Don't forget again that is going to be multiplied by 80 into क्या होगा ये, चलो ये भी लिखता हूँ, next step also 80 into, so I will get what, 80 into means 8 into 0.009. Okay, 8 decimal गया, तो ये क्या बनेगा 0.072. Definitely makes a contribution in the first 4. So ये तो रखना ही है, ये टर्म रखना ही है. Next आगे का देखो, आगे का होगा again 10 phi c3 is going to be 10. Phi c3 is going to be 10 into 4 into 0.03 whole cube. 0.03 whole cube will be what? 0.00027. And इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा रे? इसका वैल्यू होगा, हाँ चलो 4 into इतना 8 decimal कम, so I think it will be 0.00108. I think again makes a contribution to the first 4 decimal places में 1 आ गया ना भाई, before the first 4, that means it is making a contribution. Okay, तो ये हो गया. अब ये भी आना चाहिए. So let's write the next one as well. Next one क्या होगा? Next one होगा plus 5 into 2 10 into point, अभी raised to 4 मतलब उसमें 8 decimal places आने हैं. 8 decimal places मतलब 0.0000081 8 decimal places. Okay, and 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो भी इसमें क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, 8 डेसिमल कम होगा, इधर डेसिमल आएगा. कैन यू सी फर्स्ट 4 आर ऑल 0, दैट मींस इधर के आगे यू कैन राइट डॉट डॉट डॉट. दिस इज नॉट मेकिंग अ कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द फर्स्ट 4 डेसिमल प्लेस. इग्नोर इट. तो अभी आपका क्या होता है, those 4 terms are all that are counting 32 2.4 0.009 0.07 and 0.00108. I understand all of you all. इसका टोटल सम क्या होगा? ये होगा 8 0 3 7 4 34. अब आपको लिखना है फाइनल आंसर करेक्ट अप टू 4 decimal places. So I need to write only till here. But can you see the next one? Fifth is 8. So round off करना पड़ेगा. Round off करके कितना लिखोगे? 34.4731. This is your final answer. Correct up to 4 decimal places. This is what it is. 34.4731. Have all of you all understood this perfectly well? Okay. So whenever they say correct up to, आपको लिखते वक्त थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. And then when you calculate, you will realize yourself, oh, is it making a difference to the first four? If it is, then we'll right. If it is not, ignore it. Like I ignored this. And definitely what I had talked about earlier, this is not going to make a contribution. वो मैंने पहले ही realize कर लिया, तो मैंने लिखा ही नहीं था पहले. This is how you need to go if you have to talk about correct up to so many decimal places. Is that very clear, everybody? चलो, next is up. If you have not written along with me, please pause the video and note it down. Next sum that we have to do, everybody. Chalo. This is question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Seventh term in the expansion. Seventh term in the expansion. Now these are basically general term based sums. Seventh term in x squared minus 4 upon x cube raised to 11. Seventh term in x square minus 4 upon x cube raised to 11. X square plus minus 4 upon x cube the whole raised to 11. ऐसे लिखो. अच्छा, इसमें पहले आपको क्या करना है? पहले आपको लिखना है general term TR plus 1. So you can write down also general term is TR plus 1, which will be what? TR plus 1 means 11CR है, क्योंकि R होता है तो the term is R plus 1. Okay, 11CR. हाँ, और क्या लिखेंगे? Can I say x squared raised to होगा minus 4 upon x cube raised to होगा. ओके, ये R तो वो इधर आएगा और वो R इधर आ गया तो ये 11 minus R होना चाहिए क्योंकि sum of indices is 11. तो ये हो गया अभी. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? सेवेंथ टर्म चाहिए. So put R at 6. Come on, put R equal to 6. And therefore you are now in a position to write down the seventh term in your expansion. Seventh term in your expansion. Come on, write down T7. So, jaldi se likho. T7 is 11C6. And you get x square raised to 11 minus 6, 5. Minus 4 upon x cube raised to 6. हो गया. This is the term and this you have to simplify now. और क्या? अच्छा, 11C5. Can I write it as 11C6? Can I write it as 11C5? 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ठीक है ना? Perfect है. Okay. And I will get x raised to 10. I will also get 4 raised to 6 upon x raised to 18. Minus has gone because it's even part. Alright, so ये क्या बनेगा अभी? 5 2s are 10, 4 2 3. ठीक है, पक्का? And I should finally get what will I get here? This will be 6 7s are 42. 42 into 11, 462. 462 into 4 raised to 6 upon x raised to 8. That is your seventh term, and that's your final answer. That's your final answer, everybody. Is that very clear? Okay. Chalo. On similar basis, can I see y'all try out this one? Come on, 7th one. Find the term or find the coefficient of x raised to minus 2. X raised to minus 2 in 2x minus 1 upon root 3 x squared raised to 10. Will it be possible for you to do this? Coefficient of x raised to minus 2 in this raised to 10. So once again, everybody, अगर आप ये बराबर सोच रहे हो, तो ये भी आपको जनरल टर्म से ही करना है. General term is given by, come on, general term is given by. जनरल टर्म के बारे में क्या बोले? जनरल टर्म is TR plus 1. चलो, TR plus 1, which is 10CR 2x raised to 10 minus r, 2x raised to 10 minus r and minus 1 upon root 3 x squared raised to r, x squared raised to r. ऐसा होगा. अच्छा, एक मिनट, अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले ये इसको जो जनरल टर्म करके लिखा आपने, उसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ओके, कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे? कैन वी राइट दिस एज 10CR and 2 raised to 10 minus r x raised to 10 minus r minus 1 raised to r upon 3 raised to r by 2 x raised to 2r. जरा आप चेक कर लो, जो भी मैंने लिखा है बराबर लिखा है. ओके, verify whether what I have written is correct, everybody. Okay, I think it is. Now this will be 10CR 2 raised to 10 minus r minus 1 raised to r upon 3 raised to r by 2 and x you bring it together. X if you bring it together, shall I say x raised to 10 minus 3r, basic laws of indices. Yes, I think that's fair. Now, what is your ask for in the sum? Coefficient of x raised to minus 2 in this expansion. Now, can I say this is a term of this expansion only? उसके अंदर आपको x raised to minus 2 का कोएफिशिएंट चाहिए, मतलब ये वैल्यू -2 होना चाहिए कि नहीं? So go ahead, write that down. Come on, easy it is. हाँ, क्या होगा? Therefore, for coefficient of x raised to minus 2, for coefficient of x raised to minus 2, okay, implies that index of x 10 minus 3r must be minus 2. So r will turn out to be 4 bhai. And now to get the coefficient of x raised to minus 2, ये r equal to 4 को आपको इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना है. किधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना है? इधर इसमें पूरे में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेना है. दैट इज द कोएफिशिएंट, दैट्स द नंबर व्हिच इज गोइंग टू कम अलोंग विद x रेज़ टू -2. इसे आपको उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सो कोएफिशिएंट क्या होगा? चलो फटाफट बताओ. कोएफिशिएंट विल बी 10c4 2 raised to 6 -1 raised to 4 and 3 square. So फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? ये होगा 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 square into 2 raised to 6 by. That's it. Minus extra 4 is gone. So this is gone. And I think you all will get 10 into 56 into 64. 60 square minus 60 square. 3600 minus 16. So this should be 3584 and a 0. Should be fine. Is this okay? Everyone? Oh, 10c4. Oh, हाँ. Correct. 10c4 का into 4 into 3 into 2 तो किया ही नहीं था. ठीक है भाई, कर देते हैं. सो दिस विल बी 4 2 8 गया. 3 जाएगा नहीं. ओके, 3 जाएगा नहीं. एंड दैट शुड बी 70 into 64 upon 3. चलो हो गया. 0 8 4 4 4480 upon 3 should be the correct answer. फटाफट नोट कर लो everybody.